Lord Jesus, it's a fire in the Hungani household, right? Keeping up with the Hungani household, the Ndlovu household, sorry, what the hell? The Ndlovu household, guys. So I'm making this video after Uhungani Ndlovu and Stephanie Ndlovu have announced officially on their social media platforms which they are indeed going through a divorce. It's not a separation anymore, it's a divorce. For those of you guys that are not not popular, for those of you guys who are not acquainted with the couple, who don't know much about the couple, there are a couple that worked on the, well, Uhungani Ndlovu married Stephanie Ndlovu. He was an actor. He is an actor, and he was acting on Scandal he portrayed Romeo from Scandal. That's the character that really gave him notoriety. And then after that, he basically went into usesebenza kaSkim Sam manje. So ekusebenzeni kwakhe kaSkim Sam, he basically, but he's like character that basically made him famous, Romeo. And it's alleged ukuthi Stephanie, who is now his wife, was the one who was a part of the human resources team as far as acting is concerned. As far as the acting industry is concerned, she was a part of the team in hiring him. So allegedly they fell in love after that, after the casting, and they have been inseparable since. Stephanie Ndlovu allegedly has also acted with Scandal, and people were super duper excited about the couple because really they're on screen, they are, even though I've never really watched Scandal, to be quite honest with you guys, I have watched their YouTube channel, which is the Ndlovu's, what is it? I believe Uncut with the Ndlovus, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to put the title down somewhere here. But they were just a couple who were very transparent about the inner happenings of their marriage, which I think is a huge, it's a huge risk, because history has proven that some relationships on social media don't klangan, but when they gambled with the relationship, and unfortunately the relationship didn't win. So guys, people are speculating ukuthi the relationship didn't work because Stephanie basically was resentful towards Uhungani as far as Twitter is concerned. On Twitter, it's alleged that Stephanie was resentful of Uhungani because she gave him basically a chance. Like, she made him as far as because that she was the one that was a part of the board deciding, is he gonna come on board. So it's as if she used her resources to basically build him, and now she's resentful because even maybe Kuluma, like we the Ndlovu's Uncut, like Uhungani is always thanking and grateful to Stephanie for doing so much for him. So it's as if it's alleged, and it's as if he's indebted to her, and it's as if he felt like compelled to marry her because he owed her as opposed to actually loving her, which I don't believe is true, because guys, men are very selfish. Men are very selfish. No way a man will marry you just because he loves you. A man will marry you because your presence benefits him. So I don't believe, however, I will say I did see the resentment. But what I will say is this: I don't think girls have a problem with helping the guy, building the guy. The girls usually become resentful when you took advantage of the hand up. Like when, they kind of feel like, I had to earn your love. I didn't just get it. And if you had to earn uthando lomuntu, the love is not real. It's not genuine. That's how you feel as a woman. Women need you to invest in them more than they invest in you, because if they invest in you, they become resentful. They become resentful. So I do feel like, yeah, that could be it. And also, ungathola ukuthi somewhere, somehow, guys, I feel like that man cheated, allegedly. I feel like he cheated. I could be wrong, but I feel like he cheated, because as a woman, so you don't just switch on your man. Like, awukwazi ukuthi unjani ngiyaphila, akwazi ukuthi nibe right, and out of nowhere you just switch on your man. He must have done something really wrong to kind of spark that resentment, because even if as a woman you've done a lot for your partner, like uhambe in the relationship while you guys are married, because what's this guy's name, the guy Hungani went to a podcast, I believe it's Mashaba's podcast, or I believe it's Mapaseka's podcast, and was talking about his marriage in depth. And in him talking about his marriage in depth, he was basically talking about the sacrifices he's made for the marriage, and it feels like he was a very hands-on husband. However, in him being a hands-on husband, okusalayo, if he really was a hands-on husband, kusho ukuthi it would it would even out the playing field as far as the investment he also made in her, basically marrying her and all of those things. I believe Gucci would even out the playing field, and I don't think she'd be resentful unless he took advantage of that hand up and he started dating other girls, cheating on her, basically making her feel stupid for investing in him, allegedly. So I mean, I feel like there's definitely more than meets the eye. Where there's smoke, there is fire. No way that it was just that. You don't leave a marriage because you resent your husband. What the hell? I want to guys, people need to understand women love marriage. Women love marriage. Like, they don't like being single. Like, what would you choose? Like, being with the one guy for the rest of your life, or also Klupa, yes, but at least because he's already committed to you and he's committed to being with you forever through ups and downs, like when ukuthi amafana banjani, or just being single and what would you prefer? You'd obviously prefer to be in a committed relationship and marriage. No matter how terrible your marriage is, it takes a lot for a woman to walk away from a marriage. So kuningi vary, but more than anything, I just wish them nothing but the best of luck, man. I wish Stephanie nothing but the best of luck, and I wish Uhungani nothing but the best of luck, and Gatsibanga Kula from this experience. And more than anything, I wish they don't get a divorce. I really want to see black families winning in terms of marriage. Guys, we are working on our marriage, and the guy also pulls the weight and actually works on the marriage. And because it's not nice to see a couple that's young and beautiful and they're so promising, but it's not nice, and I don't think anybody likes that for themselves. That's my 2 cents. What do you guys think? I'll meet you guys in the comments. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe.